If you're ready to make over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and a free AI tool, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how you can get started earning money online, even if you're a complete beginner and not super technically inclined. In fact, all the stuff I'm going to show you today is pretty much copy and paste. So don't worry, you don't have to be an expert, have a fancy computer, or even have any money to get started. All you have to do is watch this till the end and start making money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage ChatGPT 4.0 to earn money online. I'll guide you through the different features of ChatGPT and how to use them to generate income, just like I do. First, I'll share my recent earnings to give you a sense of what's possible. I've been using ChatGPT along with a few other tools, linking them together in a system to drive revenue. My primary strategy involves promoting affiliate links, like the ones you'll see here in this video. Throughout this video, I'll be providing valuable resources for free. The only thing you may need to invest in is ChatGPT 4.0 itself. But other than that, you'll get a free course, a checklist, and plenty of other resources to help you start replicating my methods. If you'd like access to all this, just drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe. I'll respond to your comment with the link to everything you need. I highly recommend the 4.0 version because it's the most advanced and only about $20 a month. It's well worth it if you're serious about scaling your income using AI. Just to clarify, I'm not affiliated with ChatGPT, so I don't earn anything from recommending it. Let's get into the features. ChatGPT 4.0 comes with the standard model and a with code interpreter option, which allows for more complex operations like real-time editing. I also discovered a new app recently called Bolt.new that's fantastic for coding websites with just a prompt. So if you're interested in coding, you might want to check that out. Ready to dive in? Let's start with the basics. If you want a full tutorial on this, let me know in the comments. But in today's video, I'm not going to focus on coding with ChatGPT since that's not what I typically use it for. I won't be covering hypothetical scenarios either. I'm here to show you exactly how I personally use ChatGPT to build an automated content system that generates income. Let's dive in. Starting with the basics on the left sidebar, you'll find options to open or close the menu. I usually keep it open. Here, you'll see all the different GPTs, including the option to create a custom GPT, which I'll discuss shortly. If you want to start a new conversation, just click on New Chat at the top. All your previous conversations are saved here, so you can revisit them anytime. One of ChatGPT's key features is that it remembers the context of your conversation, so you can refer back to something you mentioned earlier without restating it each time. For example, if I ask ChatGPT to write a story about a cat, I can later tell it to elaborate or add emojis without needing to explain the whole story again. However, ChatGPT has a memory limit. It can only retain a certain amount of information within a conversation, defined by its token limit. If the conversation gets too long, it may start forgetting earlier parts. Tokens measure the amount of input and output ChatGPT can handle, so you might need to simplify or chunk your requests to get better responses. For instance, instead of asking ChatGPT to write a book, which might overwhelm its token limit, you could ask for a detailed chapter-by-chapter outline. You can even prompt it to ask you if you're ready for the next chapter, which lets you get more in-depth content without exceeding its limits. Let's break it down with an example. I could ask ChatGPT to write the first chapter in as much detail as possible, then prompt me to continue. This way, ChatGPT will output a detailed chapter and pause, waiting for you to confirm before moving on to the next one. This chunking method gives you more control and allows ChatGPT to provide a more comprehensive response for each segment. By working in chunks and prompting ChatGPT along the way, you can maximize the content you generate without running into memory limits. This approach took me some time to figure out, but it's been invaluable in improving the quality and depth of responses. So let's get started on using this approach to build out an effective content system. All right, let's go over the essentials of working with ChatGPT and customizing it to enhance productivity. First, I'll cover the basics of customization and how I use ChatGPT to assist with various types of content. For starters, I create short-form videos, under 60 seconds, and long-form content, like this video you're watching. ChatGPT helps me generate thumbnail ideas, video descriptions, titles, and more. It's also a fantastic tool for email content and just about any other content creation needs. Now, you might wonder how ChatGPT helps with video content. I use it to brainstorm ideas, create outlines, and even write scripts. In fact, most of the content I produce is either AI generated or AI assisted. My team uses prompts I create to get the best outputs, and over time, we adjust the prompts for even better results. Let me show you some of the customization features within ChatGPT. You can share conversations by creating a link and sharing it with others. Initially, shared conversations didn't allow the recipient to interact with the chat, but it seems they can now continue from where you left off. At the top right, you'll find plan details, custom GPTs, and settings. I'm currently on the $20 monthly plan, which offers more options than the free plan. There's also a business plan if you need access for a team. Custom GPTs are a great feature because they allow you to train a unique model with specific information about your business or other topics. For instance, I have a custom ShineFi GPT trained with content from my YouTube channel. In custom instructions, you can set ChatGPT to adopt a particular style or tone. For example, you might instruct it to respond like a copywriter with short, punchy sentences. You can also decide whether to turn on tools like browsing for live internet searches, DALL-E for image generation, and the code interpreter for coding assistance. Under settings, there's the theme option for dark or light mode and various language personalization settings. One thing to note about the memory setting: when enabled, it may recall details from previous conversations, which can be useful, but sometimes creates unwanted overlap if you're working on multiple projects. If it ever references the wrong information, you might consider turning memory off for more isolated conversations. For text-to-speech options, you'll find them under Speech in Settings, which lets you listen to ChatGPT responses. You can also personalize the appearance of any custom GPTs you've created if you plan to list them in the GPT store. Additionally, there's Google Drive integration, so you can easily upload files from Google Drive or other connected accounts. Finally, you can enable two-factor authentication for added security and manage logged-in devices here as well. These settings allow you to tailor ChatGPT to your unique needs, whether it's for content creation, business use, or just personal projects. Alright, now that you're familiar with the basics, I want to dive into how I use ChatGPT to generate income on a daily basis. It's great to know the ins and outs of ChatGPT, but at the end of the day, what really matters is turning it into revenue. Here's a breakdown of the main ways I make money: short-form videos, long-form content, and emails. These three content types are the backbone of my revenue-generating strategy, each drawing from different traffic sources. Short-form content. For videos under 60 seconds, I leverage AI tools like ChatGPT to create highly engaging AI-generated content. Let me play a quick example. Plays video. You can see the appeal: fast, informative, and attention-grabbing content that showcases specific tools and websites. Promoting tools through links. A big part of my strategy is sending people to links for the tools I mentioned in these videos. For example, after a video highlights a helpful AI tool, I include an affiliate link. When viewers click the link and make a purchase, I earn a commission. Custom tool checklist. I also offer a checklist that includes 400+ tools, each with a unique affiliate link tied to my account. Here's how it works. Whenever someone buys a tool using my link, the sale is tracked to me, and I get credited for that referral. So, when viewers leave a comment, like, or subscribe, they receive access to the full list, increasing engagement and conversions. You can sign up for these links as well, but let me first show you exactly how to set this up for the best results. Let's take a closer look at how this process flows and the specific ways I optimize my strategy for maximum earnings. Alright, so here's how we actually run things with the videos. The first step is to get the right links to our audience when they comment. We use a tool called ManyChat, which automates responses to comments specifically on Instagram and Facebook. It's set up to automatically send them a link to whatever freebie or product we're promoting. If they comment, ManyChat sends a DM response with the link. Other tools exist for YouTube and other platforms. But for now, this setup is streamlined to work on Instagram and Facebook. In these videos, I often use a top 3 websites format, where all the links are either affiliate links or links to our own landing pages. For instance, one link might be to a page we control, which then leads to an affiliate link or a sales funnel. This approach allows us to monetize directly through traffic from social media posts. Now, how do we actually make these videos? I've put together a full course that walks you through every step, everything from filming to editing. But in brief, the process involves using a few tools. ChatGPT for generating or rewriting scripts, tools like Gen 3 to animate visuals, and CapCut for editing. Once we know a format works, we replicate it. For instance, if we see a trending video, we'll transcribe it, input the transcript into CHAT-GPT, and let it regenerate the content with unique changes. Using tools like 11 Labs for text-to-speech, we create prompts for visuals, gather assets, and piece everything together. By chaining these AI tools, we can quickly generate multiple unique versions of short-form videos for our channels. Once the videos are ready, we use social media scheduling tools like Radar to automate the posting process across platforms. This setup keeps content flowing consistently, so we're always engaging with our audience. The best part is that all of this can be scaled using AI tools. We're essentially automating video production and creating multiple versions each day. My team handles everything: editing, generating sound effects, and scheduling. All I have to do is give feedback, or adjust the content, and it's good to go. This method is not only efficient, but allows each video to be slightly different, with variations in sound effects, music, and visuals, all AI generated. So, while each video follows a similar structure, they're unique enough to capture attention. These short-form videos might seem a bit silly, but they're effective. They get tons of comments and views. One really useful feature of ChatGPT is that you don't even need to copy and paste text data. You can take a screenshot or even upload a CSV file, and ChatGPT will analyze it. For example, if I screenshot a popular video list, I can upload it and ask ChatGPT for ideas based on what's trending. This method works for any type of file, making it perfect for detailed analysis. I'm using ChatGPT not just for answers, but for accelerated learning and content strategy. By uploading lists, CSV files, or even screenshots of YouTube channels, I can prompt ChatGPT to give me insights, like why a particular channel is performing well. This data-driven approach to AI isn't something most people are doing. They're often just looking for quick answers. ChatGPT, however, can provide feedback that's personalized to your specific needs, analyzing unique datasets you feed it. To really unlock the potential of ChatGPT, you need to experiment actively. It's not enough to watch a tutorial or read about it. You need to start prompting the AI yourself. Ask questions, try different prompt structures, and see how the AI responds. This constant interaction builds your skill in crafting effective prompts and helps you better understand the tool's potential. The quality of results is largely determined by the questions you ask. So if you're unsure where to begin, you can ask ChatGPT directly, "What should I focus on?" or "How do I get started?" Let it guide you with a tailored game plan. I use ChatGPT daily for just this, bringing in data points, ideas, and questions, and having it analyze and guide me in strategic ways. The more context you provide, the more detailed and useful the insights will be. Another valuable aspect of creating content is the chance to build a community. Not only can AI serve as a supportive tool, but by engaging with real people, you can receive direct feedback and ideas. When I create content, I often ask the community what they'd like to see next, whether it's guides, tutorials, or specific topics. Using both AI and community input creates a dynamic feedback loop, helping you learn quickly and cater to what people genuinely want. For long-form content, I mix AI tools with community insights to generate fresh ideas. For short-form content, AI helps streamline the process. And for email marketing, I use scheduled email sequences that run on a 7-day cycle, typically 1 to 2 emails daily, building anticipation for our live class each Monday. These recurring emails promote the upcoming live session, creating a sense of urgency and encouraging signups. In case you're new here, I promote everything through a free trial at my main site with automated emails. With the email tool, I ask ChatGPT to draft out a 7-day email sequence, prompting it to create each message individually to work within the token limit. I specify how I want the emails written, like using a professional tone, engaging stories, and even adding emojis for a friendly feel. After finalizing, I export everything in HTML format so the emails look polished. This system allows me to schedule everything in advance, letting my team handle prompting and setup. So, all our emails for the week go out on time. On top of front-end emails promoting the live class, our CRM sends additional automated emails and text messages after someone opts in, ensuring they're re-engaged over time. Most customers don't buy on their first interaction, so I use a CRM funnel with ongoing follow-ups. GoHighLevel now even supports some AI functions, which I'll review soon. To stay connected with the community, I host weekly live streams like this, sharing insights and helping everyone navigate these tools. As for ChatGPT, a powerful feature I haven't touched on yet is custom GPTs. While I don't use them extensively, they can be useful for specific functions like creating a thumbnail or generating visuals. You can browse or create a custom GPT to meet your unique needs. For example, I built a thumbnail generator GPT that made the thumbnail for today's video. Building your own GPT is simple. Start with a template, specify your audience and objectives, and you're ready to publish it for others to use. When I built my custom GPT, I even imported my YouTube analytics, letting it answer questions about my channel's performance without needing direct access to my analytics. It's a useful tool if you want to share insights or automate specific tasks for your audience. Overall, these tools have helped me streamline content creation, boost engagement, and automate monetization. Once everything is set up, prompts, funnels, landing pages, affiliate links, it's all about maintaining the system. The content, the prompts, and the workflows all link together seamlessly, driving value for the audience and results for the business. If this video is helpful, let me know in the comments. I'd love to continue sharing content like this. The link to all the resources, including the free course and tools, is in the description. You'll get access to everything, the training, checklists, and our community. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.